Hi, it's Sven here from High Performance Training Coaching. I'm here with Ruby George. Ruby, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you, Sven?
I'm good. Rubes, tell me, when we met up the first time and, we started chatting about your business and where you want to go and your vision, your mission and your purpose and understanding, how high performance can help you out. What do you feel your perception and expectation of the program versus the actual delivery now?
When I first joined or signed up with you, my expectation was that you would actually look at my business like a floor plan. And you would actually look at all the dark areas, pick them out, and tell me what to do or where I could improve and thereby increase my clientele. But I was quite surprised that I shouldn't have been surprised, but I was surprised that you started with all the social styles and interactions. And finally, I benefited from those little things so much more than actually looking into my business, because along the way, you did actually look into my business. You looked at various areas, not only my social styles, but also how I presented myself to the world in terms of the website, in terms of social media, in terms of my interactions with my family, all those little things that would affect my business on the whole. So you did actually handle a whole lot of things that were beyond what I expected. Because I thought you were going to come with just a mantra of, you do this, and you'll get more clients. But actually it was handling a whole lot of areas which I wasn't aware that needed attention.
So tell me, Ruby, would you recommend high performance to anyone else?
Yes, I would recommend you, Sven, to anybody.
Perfect. Thanks, Rubes. Have a great day.
Thank you, Sven. You're awesome.